Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Be optimistic. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here with the sample answer for latest cue card, and in my previous video I provided you a list of 15 idioms which are really useful in order to boost your scores in speaking. If you haven't watched that video, then you can get the link in description box. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get immediate notification regarding my videos upload. And must like my videos if you learn something useful, and share with your friends as well. So let's dive into today's concept without wasting your precious time right now. So guys, our today's topic is describe a time when you missed an appointment. Have a look at the keywords. A time when you missed an appointment. वो time जो तुसी appointment miss करती, right? It is completely past tense based cue card. So we will use the past tense in order to share our experience. So let's have a look at the bullet points. When it was, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਦੋਂ appointment miss ਕੀਤੀ, why you miss the appointment, ਤੁਸੀਂ appointment ਕਿਉਂ miss ਕੀਤੀ, how did you feel about it, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ feel ਕੀਤਾ ਜੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ appointment ਨੂੰ miss ਕਰਤਾ. This appointment is a formal meeting that is arranged in order to meet some professionals such as doctors, lawyers, these kind of people, right? So you cannot include any meeting that you arrange to meet your friend because it is an informal meeting. So while talking about this cue card, you can add any experience regarding a meeting that you fixed in order to meet a doctor, a lawyer, a real estate agent, or it can be your hairdresser, your beautician, or any employer, right? So you can talk about any of these kind of meetings that are formal meetings, right? So let's have a look at the sample answer that is prepared by me. Well, appointments are made to meet renowned and professional people. However, I take appointments once in the blue moon. Appointments renowned means famous. Famous ਅਤੇ professional ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਫਿਕਸ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. However, ਪਰ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ appointments ਲੈਣੀ ਆ. Once in blue moon is an idiom that means rarely, right? ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ. Here I'm going to talk about a time when I missed an appointment that I made to see a dermatologist. ਇੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਉਹ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਅਪਾਇੰਟਮੈਂਟ ਮਿਸ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਡਰਮਾਟੋਲੋਜਿਸਟ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਅਰੇਂਜ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ, right? Dermatologist means a skin doctor, right? It is matter of few months ago. At that time, I suffered from acne problem. To get rid from this, I tried numerous remedies, but my all efforts gone in vain. ਇਹ ਕੁਝ ਮੰਥ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਆ. ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਐਕਨੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਤੋਂ ਸਫਰ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ. To get rid means ਛੁਟਕਾਰਾ ਪਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਛੁਟਕਾਰਾ ਪਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ numerous means many remedies ਕਾਫੀ ਮੈਂ ਮੈਡੀਸਿਨਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਇਲਾਜ ਟਰਾਈ ਕੀਤੇ, ਪਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਸਾਰੇ efforts gone in vain means ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ useless ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, waste ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਇਆ, right? After few days there was wedding of my cousin for which I was tickled pink, but my skin problem made me anxious. कुछ दिन बाद मेरी कज़न ਦੀ ਵੈਡਿੰਗ ਸੀ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਐਕਸਾਈਟਡ ਸੀ. ਟਿਕਲਡ ਪਿੰਕ ਇਜ਼ ਐਨ ਈਡੀਅਮ ਹੇਅਰ that means happy as well as excited, ਪਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਸਕਿਨ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਸੀ ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਟੈਂਸਡ ਕਰਤਾ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵਰੀਡ ਕਰਤਾ, right? One day my cousin visited us and she asked me the reason behind my anxiety. Then I shared my problem with her, who suggested me to visit Dr. Jenny, who is an eminent skin professional in her region, and she assured me that her medication would definitely assist me. एक दिन मेरी cousin ਸਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਆਈ and ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ anxiety, ਮੇਰੀ tension ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ reason ਪੁੱਛਿਆ. then ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ problem ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ share ਕੀਤੀ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ suggest ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ Dr. Jenny ਕੋਲ visit ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ, who is an eminent means famous, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇੱਕ famous skin professional ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਏਰੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. region means area, and she ensured means make sure. ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਯਕੀਨੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ trust ਦਿਵਾਇਆ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੇ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਹਰ medication means medicine, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ medicine ਆ ਉਹ ਮੇਰੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ helpful ਹੋਊਗੀ. definitely assist means help, मेरी जरूर हेल्प करूगी। Hence I decided to visit at that hospital. So मैं उस hospital ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਣ ਦਾ फैसला लिया and I searched the hospital's contact number from internet in order to make the appointment via call. ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ hospital ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ contact number ਸੀ internet ਤੋਂ search ਕੀਤਾ like call ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ appointment ਲੈਣ ਲਈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ appointment ਲੈਣ ਲਈ। I got appointment of 12 noon, so I took leave from my college. ਮੈਨੂੰ 12 ਵਜੇ ਦੁਪਹਿਰ ਦੇ 12 ਵਜੇ ਦੀ ਲੀਵ appointment ਮਿਲੀ, so ਮੈਂ college ਤੋਂ leave ਲੈ ਲਈ। I vividly remember, vividly means clearly, on that day I was just going to step out of my home. Suddenly I received a call from my bosom friend who was migrated to Canada after matriculation, and she informed me that she is coming to our house today. ਵਿਵਲੀ ਮੀਨਸ ਕਲੀਅਰਲੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਯਾਦ ਆ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਦਿਨ ਮੈਂ ਜਸਟ ਘਰ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਣ ਹੀ ਵਾਲੀ ਸੀ। ਸਟੈਪ ਆਊਟ ਮੀਨਸ ਜਸਟ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਿਕਲਣ ਹੀ ਵਾਲੀ ਸੀ। ਸਡਨਲੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਬੂਜ਼ਮ ਮੀਨਸ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਐਨ ਈਡੀਅਮ ਦੈਟ ਮੀਨਸ ਵੈਰੀ ਕਲੋਜ਼ ਫਰੈਂਡ, ਮੇਰੀ ਬੈਸਟ ਫਰੈਂਡ ਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਲ ਆਇਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਟ੍ਰਿਕੂਲੇਸ਼ਨ 10th ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਨੇ ਮਾਈਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਸੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਚਲੇ ਗਏ ਸੀ। ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਨਫੋਰਮ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡੇ ਘਰ ਆ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। It was really difficult for me to deny her because we were meeting after 5 years. ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮਨਾ ਕਰਨਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ difficult ਸੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ 5 ਸਾਲ ਬਾਅਦ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ। At that time I was in quandary that how to tackle the situation. Quandary means like when you stuck in the two things that what to do, right? Means confusion. कि उस टाइम ते मैं confusion ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀ। how to tackle means handle कि situation मैं किਵੇਂ handle करा। because for me my friend as well as appointment both were important क्योंकि मेरे लिए मेरी friend ਤੇ appointment दोनों important ਸੀ। after thinking for a while, for sake of my bestie, I decided to miss the boat to seek for consultation of a veteran doctor that was essential for me. कि थोड़ी देर सोचण ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ sake मतलब ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ मैं अपनी best friend ਦੇ ਲਈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋ ਓਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਵੈਟਰਨ ਮੀਨਸ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸਡ ਇੱਕ ਐਕਸਪਰਟ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣ ਦੀ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੰਸਲਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਮੀਨਸ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਐਡਵਾਈਸ ਲੈਣ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਸੀ, ਮੈਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮਿਸ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਕੀਤਾ। ਮਿਸ ਦਾ ਬੋਟ ਇਜ਼ ਐਨ ਈਡੀਅਮ ਹੈ that means to miss the opportunity, right? I felt blue at that time. Felt blue means feel sad. उस time ते मैं बहुत sad सी because it was really difficult to retake the appointment from that doctor soon. क्योंकि उस doctor तो फिर तो appointment लेना like फिर तो जल्दी appointment लेना बहुत difficult सी। Fortunately, I got another appointment on very next day due to my friend's reference, which was proven lucrative for me. पर ਫੋਰਚੂਨੇਟਲੀ ਲਕੀਲੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਅਪਾਇੰਟਮੈਂਟ ਮਿਲ ਗਈ, ਅਗਲੇ ਹੀ ਦਿਨ ਦੀ ਅਪਾਇੰਟਮੈਂਟ ਮਿਲ ਗਈ ਮੇਰੀ ਫਰੈਂਡ ਦੇ ਰੈਫਰੈਂਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ lucrative means beneficial ਸਾਬਿਤ ਹੋਈ, right? So it was a time when I had to miss an appointment owing to my friend's arrival. So this is all about the sample answer. So guys, let's have a look at the vocab words that we have used in today's sample answer. First one is dermatologist, D-E-R-M-A. Dermatologist, that means a medical practitioner qualified to diagnose and treat skin disorders. In simple words, we can say a skin doctor, right? Numerous means many, renowned and eminent means famous, ensure means make sure, vividly, clearly, consultancy, advice, quandary, a state of perplexity or uncertainty over what to do in a difficult situation, means when we stuck in a difficult situation that what to do, means jado sure nahi hega, that is called quandary. We can say like in simple words, confusion, anxious, worried, essential, important, tackle, handle, veteran, a person who has had long experience in a particular field. उनको काफी सारा experience होवे कि expert person is known as veteran, right? We can use this word for any professional like veteran actor, right? Veteran engineer, veteran doctor, right? Last one is lucrative, that means beneficial. So let's have a look at the idioms that we have used today. Guys, today we have used 5 idioms. First one is bosom friend, that means very close friend. Second one, once in the blue moon, that means rarely. Third one is tickled pink, means very happy and excited. Next one is missed the boat, that means missed opportunity. And last one is feel blue, that means feel sad. So that's all. And if you face any kind of difficulty in this sample answer or in any module of IELTS, then you can let me know by writing in the comment box or by dropping a mail to my Gmail account. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Take care.